welcome back to Off-Road Diaries. I'm Jonathan. That's Baby Miles. He's turning into Tyler Miles. That's Kristen. And that's Lucille. And we're here at UTV Invasion Saturday. Drag races are going on. Got to come support our friends. We got Dave Glass, who's with us all the time. Ashley Glass, who used to be Burton. They're both racing. I don't know if Tony's racing his green Pro R that I built for him. I don't know. Either way, it's Saturday. Let's catch some good action. Alright guys, that was just a couple of the Dooner class Pro Rs. Now we're about to go into, I think this is modified Pro R. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. If you see your car, I'm going to try to record everything for you guys. It doesn't mean I'm going to get it, but I'm going to try to. I met somebody named Trent, awesome guy. He races a DW car and, no, excuse me. DW. I get DW and D and M confused all the time. Said it's got quite a bit of power. I'm not going to share all the information on his car, but he's one of the top 3, I think, out here, so it'll be interesting to watch him and his car. Anyways, I don't know if he's in this class or the next class, but we're going to jump back to some footage. We're here at the short course race. There goes Mason and Keaton. Looks like Mason got the lead on that one. I'm about to throw the drone up and just throw a little collage of things up, guys, because honestly, they're racing so far out that I really just can't visually see what's going on with this camera. So we're gonna get some drone action on it, record a couple races, and then after that, I've got to go take my car and I got to get it cleaned up because I'm gonna put it in the show and shine. How's it feel to be a fucking killer, bro?
Ah, it's amazing.
I'm proud of you, man. I'm proud of you, dude. Saturday, right? Saturday. That's right. It's Saturday. I was like, man, I got a pretty car, I'll enter it. And then I look at these other cars, I'm like, damn, these cars are pretty too. They're prettier than mine. They got more money into them than mine. But nonetheless, might as well come, show up, show the car, so people who watch our channel can watch it. By the way, I wanted to tell everybody that has came up and said hi, thank you so much. There's a guy named Tyson, I want to say your name was, and you came up, you said hi at the drag races, and I didn't get a chance to talk to you as much as I wanted to, and I apologize for that. But come catch me again and we'll talk more, buddy. So, we got Travis, awesome guy. He just had this car built. Fun fact about this car, guys, I'm the one that brought this cage down to him. And this is the finished product. I mean, this car is ridiculous. Jake Moss built it up in Idaho. Did a killer job. Really nice car. A lot of time and money into this car. I will eventually get to that point. I can't yet. Then, man, I was checking out this Turbo S, and this might be one of the nicest Turbo S's I think I've ever seen in my life. This thing is ridiculously clean, guys. I mean, they did a full frame powder. Like a full frame powder. That is insane. Like, or maybe it's a Turbo S. This might be just be an XBT I see. Nice, dude. That is one clean car. I don't even know if I would drive that car if I had a car that clean. I mean, our car is very clean too, but we haven't gone to the lengths that he has with his car, and it's impressive. We got our buddy over here on MB Whips, Matt, and he has a ridiculous build as well. Really nice. Y'all have seen this car. There's an insane amount of custom stuff done on that car. We got our buddies, Amanda and Cody over here with their Packard cars. These are some real deals. Amanda can drive, and so can Cody. He has a slightly larger turbo on his car, in case you guys were wondering. So yeah, I don't know. Not super interesting about show and shines other than looking at pretty cars, but I do want to hear the audio contest because Martian Whips has got their expedition over there, and it'll be interesting to see who's got a stronger system. I like car audio stuff, guys.
Say what? Look. AMG, Billy truck, trapping out the ghost. 7-figure payment, time is money, gotta go. Addicted to the game, DKZ for the show. Met her at the party, she was playing with a big dog. I could get the highs and the lows. 5-star suite, she ain't never going home. New Kelly Birkin, red bottoms on her soul. Maybach Virgil, only 150 sold. Diamonds in my chain, go blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, go blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, go blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, diamonds in my chain. Get out my face. Nacho's back, now you rockin' a Bronny jersey. I be seeing them sirens when we stop for no chase, we gon' go for a chase or something. More money, more problems, so give me the money, cause you know I'm a problem solver. I do what I want, and you do what you can't, little I'm by the box. Take a look at my drip chat, take a look at the crib, drip chat. Take a look at the whips, drip chat. Take a look at the chain, drip chat. Look, I stay double G, I'm rockin' no Gucci, I'm 27 like it's a clock. I got the keys in my gonna drive it, only should be spinning the block. Diamonds in my chain, go blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, go blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, go blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, diamonds in my chain. Froze a bit, ice on my chain. All the more got a plain Jane. The money driving insane. I made my first meal before the fame. Candy paint dripping, got me moving like a pimp. Cashed out straight, got it from the dealership. BOA, TD Tandy, Chevy or the Chase. Trap, had a shoebox before the bank. Diamonds in my chain, go blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, go blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, go blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, diamonds in my chain. AMG, Billy truck, trapping out the ghost. 7-figure payment, time is money, gotta go. Addicted to the game for the show. Met her at the party, she was
All right, guys. We're over here waiting for the awards. I don't think I won anything, but it's worth a try. But they're giving away a mini RCR. So, we've only got 2 tickets. Some of these people have probably bought like 10 or 15 of them, but it only takes 1 ticket to win, so that'd be pretty rad if we won that.
Oh, don't do that. Where'd you do that from? What the heck? Like,
What do you got there?
Hit a rocket shot inside.
At least you guys have
Aurora's there.
Aurora.
Yeah.
back if I could like ship it.
For everybody here, sorry for being late today. We did everything we could, but that jag race took a long time. So let's get into it. All right, 3rd place for the Sandex is going to be Bryce Hardy. Is Bryce here?
He did good.
Right here. All right. Stand up there. 2nd place, we have got Richard Hale. Richard, I know you're here. I saw you.
Good job,
Oh,
Richard.
you're shrinking. And that leaves 1st place, Colton Bybee.
Yeah, baby. I'm so proud of him.
Richard, 1st place to Martian Whips for the stereo competition.
No, you gotta wear
Anybody
that,
for
bro.
Martian out there?
Let me see it.
I look like Rampage Jackson.
I need somebody to come up and Mike. B-Craft.
Oh, baby.
2nd place in the Turbo Kids is Turbo Kids, Riker Dickerson. 1st place in the Turbo Kids is Noah Miska.
So far, everybody that's winning 1st place is Whiskey
Everybody
Throttle.
that's been winning, period, is Whiskey Throttle.
Whiskey Throttle. That's the family. That's our family, man. I'm so proud of all you guys. I know y'all watch this. I'm so proud of all of you. All rider.
No, there's 1st place. 1st place, Hank B-Craft. Where's Hank at?
Yeah, buddy. Again, Whiskey Throttle. All right, so
You won
the
3rd
girl,
place in
or
the
I
stock
should say
turbo
woman
class.
that won that, the Pro Arduino class, she actually won it with a Packard Supercharger.
Angel,
So she beat
won 2nd place. Angel, I
MGM,
know I
she
saw
beat
y'all. You're right here, right
DW, all the other people out there. I'm not saying names to discredit or
1st
say
place
anything
is
negative about these
Justin
guys.
Bond.
They all have very fast cars, but that's why I'm putting a supercharger on my car. And that's why you should too. We didn't win the RCR.
All right, let's see the magic ticket. I got it verified.
Oh, that's cool. A kid won it. Nice.
100.
Nice. Dude, I just found out this kid deserves it even more than any of us, dude. Apparently, he was on an 85 dirt bike, got hit by a Pro R, and luckily this kid's alive, and he deserves that. So, I like to see people that win prizes that deserve it. I think that's cool. Let's get ready for a party.
I like to party. I do what I want, when I want, where I want, no cap. I like to party.